This is the second part of what to look for when you are out looking at vacant land to invest in. This property that we are looking at. You will notice that this parcel has been cleared. This happens because of one of two reasons. 1. The owner cleared it to sell it. Or 2. The land is being prepped for building on. All the surrounding properties had scrub brush on them. This one corner lot was cleared so that it could be put up for sale. On the western edge of this property there was a main dirt road. I have a photo of a fire hydrant that was there and a marker of where a water line ran down the middle of the road. A half a mile away was a fairly new high school, and just a quarter mile away there are new homes being built. The very last photo is one of a dry wash. That is one of the things that you want to especially be looking out for on a parcel of land that you are looking at. Dry washes, whether in the mountains or in the desert, can quickly become raging rivers when it rains. If the property that you are looking at is a 5-acre parcel and the dry wash is along one edge of the property, then most likely it's not going to keep you from being able to sell the property or build a house on it. But if the property were a half-acre or even a 2.5-acre, and this dry wash runs down the middle of the property, then you are going to have a tough time selling that property and building a house on it. Use your best judgment if a wash affects 25% of the property or more. My recommendation would be to pass on any property like that. Thank you for watching the Real Estate Project. Come back often to see new real estate investing videos, videos about real estate, and more. Learn about contract for deeds, also called a land contract in some parts of the U.S. These purchase contracts make you monthly income while you look for more parcels of land to invest in.